Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Aboukir Primary from St. Anne up against Our Lady of the Angels Prep from St. Andrew. I'm your host, TK Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss. Our Lady of the Angels Prep won and decided to go first. So we begin with Our Lady of the Angels Prep. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds in which to answer, and this section lasts for 4 minutes, so we'll have that time on the clock and begin with you, Our Lady of the Angels Prep, in Bible knowledge. What's the third of the 4 Gospels in the order they appear in the Bible?
Matthew, Mark, Luke, John. Luke.
Or Saint Luke, that is correct. Aboukir Primary, Bible knowledge. What's the fourth of the 5 books of Moses in the order they appear in the Bible?
Numbers.
That's right. Our Lady of the Angels, science. Which 2 colors are at either end of the spectrum in a rainbow?
Red and purple. Indigo, violet.
Violet.
That's incorrect. It's the 2 colors, which are violet and red. Aboukir Primary, science. How many colors are in a rainbow?
7.
Or 6, that is correct. Our Lady of the Angels, Jamaican Affairs, who is the Director of Public Prosecution?
Who is the director of public prosecution? Jesse.
That's incorrect. It's Paula Llewellyn. Aboukir Primary, Jamaican Affairs, who is Jamaica's Chief Justice?
Ryan Sykes.
That is correct. Our Lady of the Angels, English language. Spell conquest.
CONQUEST. CONQUEST.
That's correct. Aboukir Primary, English language. Spell lavish.
LAVISH.
That's right. Our Lady of the Angels, television. In the cartoon, what's the name of the bird that Sylvester the cat chases?
Tweety.
Or Tweety bird, that is correct. Aboukir Primary, television. What's the name of Scrappy-Doo's uncle in the cartoons?
Scooby-Doo.
Or Scooby, that is correct. Our Lady of the Angels, general knowledge. What term is used to describe the practice of being married to 2 persons at the same time?
2 persons. Marriage. Just say that. Marriage.
That's incorrect. It's bigamy. Aboukir Primary, general knowledge. What term is used to describe someone who always looks at the brighter side of life?
Optimist.
That's correct. Our Lady of the Angels, social studies. What's the name of the highest mountain in Barbados?
I don't know Barbados. Let's say Mount Adru. No, not Amju. Just go.
Question passes. Aboukir Primary, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Mount Hillaby. Aboukir Primary, social studies. What's the name of the highest mountain in Trinidad and Tobago?
Mount Everest.
That's incorrect. It's Mount Aripo or El Cerro del Aripo. Our Lady of the Angels, music. What's another name for a whole note?
Long note. Is it a long note? Long note. Long note.
That's incorrect. It's a semi-brief. Aboukir Primary, music. What's another name for a quarter note?
Quiver.
That's incorrect. It's a crotchet. Our Lady of the Angels, mathematics. What is 18 squared minus 16 squared?
68.
That's right. Aboukir Primary. Mathematics, what is 17 squared minus 15 squared? Question passes. Our Lady of the Angels, want to try?
Yes, Miss. 64.
That is correct. And that bell means that it's the end of section 1. The scores are Aboukir Primary on 6 and Our Lady of the Angels Prep on 5. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.